Britannia straight joint using two aluminium bare conductors of gauge 12. Make marking on the two aluminium bare conductors as shown in this diagram. Okay, this is of 70 mm and remaining is 30 mm. So total length is 100 mm. Take another bare conductor and keep on the diagram, and this is 70 mm. Here to this point is 70 mm, and here to remaining is 30, which is we bend. This is mallet. Using this mallet we straighten two aluminium conductors. And take handwise and make tight for 30 mm. By using ring nut we tied this conductor for 30 mm and make bend. Take another piece of aluminium bare conductor and keep in the handwise of 50 mm jaw and tight this conductor in handwise. Again fold or we bend this conductor and remove from the handwise. Keep these two bare conductors in the diagram which is we drawn for making Britannia straight joint. Okay, remaining this length is 25 mm. Here also from this point to this point is 25 mm. Now take the okay, this is what our single strand copper wire. We use this copper wire for wrapping on this joint. The wrapping as shown in this diagram. Take two pieces of aluminium, take copper wire and make loop as shown in this diagram and keep on the two aluminium conductors. Have the copper conductor on aluminium without any gap. Like this, wrap the conductor, copper conductor on two separate aluminium conductors. So like this you wrap the conductor. Okay, now free end of the copper wire is inserted into the loop. Okay. Pull the other end of the copper wire using combination plier up to loop goes inside the copper conductors, and now wrap the two conductors on opposite sides. Here without any gap, we wrap the conductor side by side. Yes. And other end, we wrap the conductor same as we wrap on one side. This is what our Britannia straight joint as shown in this diagram.